Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with Opal, the stone of karma. For those who are brand new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. Both of my books, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, and The Crystal Wisdom of Colors, Unveiling the Healing Colors of Gemstones, are both now available. And if you're interested in checking those out, I'll put a link in the description below or in the eye above. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we are going to talk about how you can benefit from the crystal wisdom of Opal, the stone of karma. And this piece that I'm holding right now may not bring to mind the traditional view that you have of Opal, with that rainbow shimmery flash to it. But there is precious and non-precious opal. The tumble that I'm holding right now is non-precious opal. It comes in a wide variety of colors, and today we are focusing on white opal. But non-precious opal can come in pink, green, blue, brown, many other colors as well. So the qualities in this video apply to white, non-precious opal, or the traditional precious opal that's often in jewelry and is really flashy and shimmery. I do want to caution you that precious opal is really easy for people to simulate. It's really important when you're shopping for opal to look for genuine, natural opal, to look for any keywords in your listing that say created, lab created, synthetic, man-made. But I do highly recommend shopping for opal in person at a reputable jewelry store if you're looking for precious opal jewelry. Opal is the stone of karma, and the first benefit of working with opal is that it helps you recognize your inner beauty. This stone is extremely nurturing and comforting. It helps you to accept and love yourself just as you are. It reduces feelings of self-doubt, judgment, criticism, and enables you to really appreciate who you are. It is like, working with opal is like turning on that light within and seeing the light, the inherently beautiful, perfect soul within you, and knowing that that's who you are. You may be having challenges right now in life. You may be wanting to improve. And that is a normal experience. And opal helps you to honor the wonderful inner nature of yourself while you are working through challenges or evolving on your own spiritual path. The second benefit of working with opal is that it is the stone of karma, and it helps you determine the consequences of your actions. It helps you analyze choices and decisions in life to see what the outcome or consequences of making a particular decision could be. This is a wonderful gemstone to have with you as you are trying to figure out what to do in a difficult situation and trying to decide what action you could take that is in line with your spiritual goals and your highest self. Working with this stone also helps you recognize if some challenge or difficulty that you're experiencing right now is a karmic reaction to something that happened in the past. Working with Opal helps you to acknowledge that this might be a consequence you are dealing with, and it helps to shine the way through, to help you be able to resolve and to release karmic patterns you might be experiencing. The third benefit of working with Opal is that it inspires generosity. This gemstone, it increases the desire for helping, giving, and contributing to uplifting the energy of your local community or the global community. This is a gemstone that really exemplifies the phrase, be the change that you want to see in the world. And it helps you figure out how you can contribute best by maybe donating your time, your money, your expertise in something to help out the people who are struggling in the world right alongside you. Opal truly helps you to make a positive impact on the world in this human life. And then the fourth benefit of working with Opal is manifestation in your life. Whatever you put out in the world will come back to you. Another aspect and facet of karma. I call this reflective manifestation. Whatever you need more of, give. Send out into the world a little bit more of what you'd like to receive. And that helps open up a physical and energetic space in your life to receive more of what you are seeking. If you want more customers for your business, then support other local businesses. If you want more love in your life, then express your love to others in your life. By donating some of what you're hoping to receive, you're sending that intention out into the world and allowing that to flow back into your own life. Opal is an amazing stone that really helps you to recognize and mindfully navigate karmic actions in your life. It helps you to improve and become the best version of yourself, and helps you really contribute positive energy to make an impact in the world around you. I hope that you found this useful, and if you do think that Opal is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days I'll be posting a guided meditation with Opal. Now, you do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation, but if anything in this video or any of the prompts that I bring up in the meditation, they really call to you, they feel familiar or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some Opal and work with it some more. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about Opal and the positive change that you can bring about in your life by working with Opal. If you are interested in learning about how a wide variety of gemstones can help you make positive change in your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.